Kay. Sarah, I'll have to call you back later. All right. Kay, darling, what is it? What's the matter? Well, tell me.
Nothing.
It's about me, isn't it?
Freddie and I were at the library, and one of the kids made a crack about you.
What did they say?
That you and Mr. Kirby were even before Dad.
Now, you stop that, Kay. You know that's a lie.
Of course I do, and I told them so. They went on, and I got mad, and we were asked to leave.
Oh, darling.
And on the way home, Freddie and I had a fight. And I told him that I didn't care what people said, but, Mama, I do care. I care terribly.
Kay, I don't know what to do. I can't bear to see you and Ned so unhappy. But, you see, Kay, I love Ron.
You love him so much you're willing to ruin all our lives?
You can't really think that.
What else can I think?